Welcome to London Visited, and this week we go to great coffee places around London. We start off our tour here today with the All-Press Espresso over in Dalston, just outside Hackney. Thanks for joining us at London Visited, and if you love London from afar, visit regularly, or are coming soon, these are great places for you to visit, and these are great places to enjoy fantastic coffee in central London. All of the places we feature here roast their own coffee on their premises. Plus are also great places to sit down, watch the world go by and have one of their great coffees. The thing I love as well is that you can buy their beans there as well, and they will grind them for you for whatever type of machinery you have for when you get home. I promise you, with some of these coffees you will not be disappointed. The other thing, of course, I must warn you about is the smell is incredible of the roasting coffee. Our second coffee place to visit is the Nude Coffee Roasters, which is in Spitalfields Market, just down the road from Liverpool Street. The Roasterie is not far away from this cafe, but I promise you something, the taste of the coffee here is amazing. So sit back, have a double espresso, nothing else with it at all, and just enjoy. A word of warning, it gets extremely busy here at lunchtimes, first thing in the morning, as well as people stop by to get their coffee. Our next place for a coffee, you just walk past and go, that's an office building over in Old Street. The most important thing here is not to be fooled. You are welcome to go through those revolving doors. The cafe is open Monday to Friday 7:30am to 5:30pm, but is closed at weekends. As you can see when you go in, it's on a slightly raised level. Workshop Coffee overlooks the roundabout where the City Road meets Old Street, right by Old Street Tube Station, which is served by the Northern Line. Again, this is another independent coffee shop, where again you just need to sit down, take in the coffee, and maybe with a snack or two. Next, we go to the Roasting Shed at Stratford. I want to share this place with you because it's a little known place just by Hackney Wick Overground Station. When you walk onto the industrial estate, it's actually quite hard to find, but when you do, you'll actually see it is just a distribution place for coffee beans across London. But when you walk through, there you go, there's the coffee machine. This place gets a personal recommendation with their blend of beans, which they will talk you through. An extremely knowledgeable team, but my tip is go down there and at least have a double espresso. Once you do, you'll be back for more coffee, I promise. Right, let's get to our penultimate coffee destination. This is the roasting plant just underneath the gaze of the Shard at London Bridge. So let me give you a quick tour. You go in the front door, you look round and you think, oh yeah, a coffee shop like many others around London. But then, look up at the roof. You see those tubes? They are bringing the coffee beans from the other side of the restaurant, and here they are, various blends. You order your coffee at the bar, and then the beans are sucked up across these tubes, across the top and down, to make your blend. Also, you can purchase the different types of blends which you can mix, or alternatively, just have them as they are. Again, another great place to sit back, have your coffee and watch the world go by. But please do take into account it's extremely busy first thing in the morning and also at lunchtime periods as well. I hope you're enjoying this video on London, and if you'd like to see more videos on London on these sorts of things and other great experiences and things you can do in London, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload once or twice a week, and we will then be able to notify you immediately when we've uploaded to YouTube. For design, this has got to be one heck of an incredible coffee place. For our final visit, we go to Ozone Coffee, which is just off City Road, up by Old Street Station. Based in Leonard Street, this is one heck of a find. Not only is the coffee here amazing, but so is the food as well. The environment here is fantastic, where you can just sit at the bar, watch your food being prepared, being cooked, and also whilst they're making your coffee as well. If you come up through Old Street Station, you'll notice there's an Ozone Coffee there. This isn't the one that we feature. And here you can see downstairs underneath the cafe where they actually roast their own beans. Don't forget, you can listen to London Visited on any podcast app that you subscribe to. Just put in London Visited and join us for different episodes where we go deeper into different parts of London. Hope you've enjoyed our video today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like and share this with other people who love London. Catch you very soon in the next video. Thanks!